So, thanks TikTok. Yeah. Oh, this must be really cold. Even though I didn't buy this off TikTok, I seen it on TikTok and went straight to Amazon and bought it. Like, you don't even need batteries. We're trying to get some hot water going. We're supposed to change colors.
Rubber-ducky, you're so fine, and I'm lucky that you're mine. Rubber-ducky,
already fucking hot. Was it supposed to be blue and change colors or green? I'm so
Rubber-ducky, would you like me to scrub your back with my nipple?
Let's just give it some time. Maybe I'm tripping.
You would? Okay.
Because blue's supposed to be cold, right? Ain't supposed to be red if it's hot.
You don't have any ears, do you? Well, how about your tummy?
Ah, there you see it changed. Okay, so the motherfucker really hot. Yes, we'll have a shower in hell, motherfucker.